I am going to speak. Good morning to everyone. Respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Yosida and I am from 8th A. I would like to extend a warm welcome to everyone present over here, and I thank all of you for giving me this opportunity to speak a few words about education and its importance. Of all the wells, education is the most important one. Flood or thieves cannot take it away. Fire cannot burn it. Emperors cannot plant buildings. Education has no end. Educated persons are respected everywhere. A man is judged only by the education he receives. One may have high birth, but if one is uneducated, one loses respect in the society. There is a famous saying, what cannot be bent in 5 cannot be bent in 50. This is true. King is respected only in his palace, but a learned person receives respect wherever he goes. Everyone must be educated. It is very difficult to live without education. Education brings not only wealth, but also happiness. Thank you.
Clap the hands.
Marvelous Root 1. Today I am going to give a speech on the importance of English. Our primary mean of communication, how we convey our attitudes to others. The secondary function of language is used to express someone's feelings, attitudes or sentiments. One language in the entire globe that fulfills one's need. We know we are in the technology world. Every international company needs international language. In the school, English is the second language. In CBSE schools, English is the top language for them. English is often referred to as the first international language. The English language comes from English language has referred as national language for England. Thank you for giving the great opportunity.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, good morning everyone. The title of my speech is The Value of Discipline. Discipline is the quality of being able to behave and to work in a controlled way which involves obeying particular rules. It is the quality that allows people to achieve success in any field. Discipline is ability to stick to our goals, to keep working towards them even when we are tired of facing difficulties. Discipline is important because it helps to people structure their lives in a way to lead their success. We needed to have a financial discipline into order to save money and avoid theft. We need to have self-discipline in order to
Fabulous noon to respected principals, teachers, and my dear friends. The topic of my speech is about discipline. Discipline is a set of rules to be followed while completing any activity. It is a way of being hardwork and motivated while completing any task. Discipline plays a very important role in students' life. It acts like a building block for success. Students who are more disciplined take more interest in studies. They can choose their subjects and make career decisions independently. Students are the future assets of the nation. Discipline helps the students to be organized, encouraged, and focused towards their tasks. An undisciplined person may not be able to complete his work on time, whereas a disciplined person can complete his work on time and get more free time to concentrate on important activities. Discipline helps the students to be study well ahead of time. This helps them to be stress-free. Students who are disciplined tend to get better scores compared to undisciplined ones. Waking up early on time, reaching school on time, taking bath and breakfast on time, completing homework on time, etc. are some of
become more and more common in the world. As yet, people are trying to study. In fact, many countries include the English language. School syllabus teach children this language from young age. However, the true value of this language whether to find a new job or travel the world. What is the importance of English? Communication is the primary function of language. It is how we share with the others. The language is our sentiment, emotion, or attitude. It has been part of almost every extreme given action. English is not optional language. Teach and English just many engineering textbooks written in English language.
Today I want to talk about women of modern India. Women of modern India are held in high esteem. They are considered as the man equal to the all respect. It is the woman who care as the nature, the children of refuse the religious and pure feeling. For idea example, it is the Chhatrapati Shivaji. It is the man who infused the religious and heaven or hell. A much of a formation of years, a mother is calling walking in the city. We often hear every successful man that was a woman. Without engagement of the woman, man cannot achieve anything glory. Indeed, when women efforts of the benefit of education truly often we can join together and observant society glory. The politics. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you to the simple but active person.
Respected principal, teacher and my dear friends. Good morning everyone. I am Manikandan from 8A. The title of my speech is Use and Abuses of Cell Phone. The invention of radio set the motion of invention, the field of communication. Then came the TV. The computer followed and now the cell phone has brought to evolution. The cell phone has become popular particularly with the young people. They use each other to get hold of more than one every day. As a new model is introduced, the youngest grab in immediately. A cell phone is a device that is used to make a call and to send a message. You are near and dear one, but they are both uses and abuses of cell phone. Nowadays, the use of cell phone is not only to make a call or send SMS. It is not that only it is evil itself, but the hand that is the most. Thank you, that's all.
A very warm welcome to all. Today I am here to deliver on your speech about the value of discipline. The term discipline refers to the practice of training, especially the mind and characters, which aim at producing self-control, obedience, sincerity, honesty, etc. Discipline makes us obey some rules, norms and values in our activities. It is equally important for all the people of all the walks in our life. It is sustainably significant in student life. It is the time of future building. One day discipline can student make successful career. Discipline means following a certain rules and regulations to complete the task and achieve success. Discipline is key of success. Discipline is very important to have success in life. Discipline is also important for the nation development. It helps to generate the self-confidence and self-control. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am E. Lambari from 8th standard A section. Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends, I would like to extend a warm welcome to everyone present over here, and I want to thank all of you for giving me a chance to speak a few words The months and seasons come by rotation. There is no stumble for of mannering one another. The elements and components all follow their natural properties. The earth revolves round the sun unfailingly until the law of gravitation and other such natural laws hold the ground eternally by routinely doing the work without fail. Nature follows the discipline sincerely. Man is a part and parcel of nature. He is also a unit, an entity in the social fabric. Just as there is no strict adherence to laws but opposite of nature, there would be complete chaos if the human beings do not observe discipline. Thank you.
Good morning to all. I am here to talk about role of women in modern India. Women play a major role in life. Let us see some of the role of women in modern India, and also we can see some of the important achievements of women in modern India. During the medieval period, there was a change for the world. Women can be changed for the world. During the Mother is considered as the first teacher of their children. Today, women make up 50% of the total population. Women education has important. There are women MPs, MLAs, presidents of the local bodies. We have been seen many successful women in politics, administration, and in business. Today, our president is also a woman. Her name is Draupadi Murmu. Women are involved in all sports like cricket, hockey, kabaddi, etc. In India, Sita, Savitri, Gandhi, and Anuja are the pillars of Indian womanhood. During the Muslim rule, women lost their position and right to equality. And during British rule, their position remained unchanged. In some of the rural areas, girls are still denied to education. Women education is necessary for the growth of any country. Thus, education and employment alone can give for their due rights. Thank you for the welcome. Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. First of all, thank you for giving me a chance. Today, I am standing in front of you to deliver a speech on the value of discipline. Discipline makes a man great and respectable in society. Being is one of the important and universal lessons to learn in life. It requires the utmost dedication and hard work to learn in life, to practice self-control and conduct ourselves. Being is one of the important and toughest lesson in life. The practice to learn in life. The self-confidence. Discipline is the important for every life. Discipline makes a man ready. Discipline is the respected principal, teacher, and media. Today I am standing in front of you to deliver a speech on uses and abuses of cell phone. Cell phone has become popular, particularly with the young kids. Use of cell phone. There is a camera in the cell phone. We can take any important photos and store it in our cell phone. The internet facilities has helped to search and store any information like we do in the computer. We must not forget the employment opportunities provided by the cell phone computing. It is certainly welcome invention. Abuses of cell phone. Cell phone in the hand of anti-social element is again a danger. Some criminals send obscene photos and messages. The teenagers do not seem to make use of the cell phone for their betterment. The most peaceful evil about the cell phone. The youth using while they are driving vehicles. They think it is an advantage, but they lost many cases and they live for living. All is well said. It is not that the cell phone is an evil in itself, but the hands show the mark. Thank you. Respect principal, sir, madam, teachers, and my dear friends. Good morning to all. First of all, thank you. Today I am standing in front of you and delivering a speech on The beneficiary, a student discipline, and helps a man to be get successful in our life. Discipline helps the students.
Respected principals and my dear friends, today I am standing in front of you to deliver a speech. One role of women in modern India. Women of modern India are held in high esteem. They are considered as equal to men in all respects. To them, religions and pious feelings. The idea one example, Sacha and Swami Shivaji. Resistance when give any aspect. Teacher, all my dear friends, today I am standing in front of you delivering a speech on Prime Minister of India. I trust Prime Minister of India. I will stand educational system. This is because they are believing under the educational system. If I am Prime Minister of India, I will correct that money. If I will make educational fees, school and college. If I correct major problem in country. That's all. Thank you. Good morning, respected principals. Today I am standing in front of you to tell you a speech on the impact of English. English is a global language. Studying English can help you get a job. Learning English can help you new people. Studying English. All over the world. That's all. Thank you. Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today I am speaking in front of you to deliver a speech on uses and abuses of the phone. Mobile phones are one of the most advanced, convenient, and time-saving technology that we used by almost everyone all over the globe. Uses of mobile phones. Students use smartphones to browse internet and find material
march on the way of progress. Discipline is necessary to all walks of life. It must be kept in mind because a discipline cannot be enforced by the law alone. It has to come from within. Thank you.
Today I am standing in front of you to deliver a speech on useless subtleties of mobile phone. Mobile phone is an electronic device that made our life easier. It is also known as smartphone and telephone. Keeps us updated with the news of the world. We can call, text, watch movies on the mobile phone. It is a great source of entertainment. It is also useful in office work. Nowadays, mobile phone